So, got me a 130-pound broadcast spreader here. Just got it put together. Won't bother with showing you guys how to do all of that. One of the things I will show you that is this lever here. You know, this thing is really designed for a riding tractor as opposed to a zero turn. So I'm in the process of creating me a way to do this. So I'll show you in a moment. So I had some half-inch PVC left over from another project. So what I decided to do was drill a hole in this handle here. As you can see, put a 1/4-inch hole in here. And what I'm going to do is take this PVC and mount it back here on the spreader. You don't have to see that, but you know, eventually I'll probably put a rod through there to hold that, but it needs to act as a roller for the rope that I'm going to put on here, so that I can control it from the seat of my zero turn. So for today, I don't have a piece of bar stock to put in here, so I'm just going to use a section of coat hanger wire to suspend this and try it out and see how it works. Okay, so like I said, I've used some coat hanger to get this working temporarily, just to try it out. Alright, from this angle you can see that I simply put the coat hanger through, and I just wanted this to turn so that the rope would have something to turn on. And the idea being, I pull on the rope and it pulls this handle back, see? So when the handle is back, the little trap door on the spreader is closed, so you can stop spreading, make a turn, and then just release the rope, and it'll go right back where it was. Okay, so this is, like I said before, pretty low tech. Just a piece of cable here, a piece of cord. When they asked me what kind, I didn't, just something I had laying around. But you know, you can see how this works. And it'll release, so that should be pretty good. As you can see inside here, it closes pretty good. So this is, I should have introduced what this is. This is actually a Groundwork 130-pound pull behind spreader. So I just finished assembling this, and I'm going to hook it up to my zero turn now. Okay, so got this hooked up to my zero turn now. I've got a Gravely ZTX42, and what I decided to do was just flip this. If you can see that, there's a piece of bracket below the parking brake, and I just adjusted that so that when this is pulled, closes my door completely, and when I release it, it will open the door to spread the contents of my broadcaster. And my hope is the little clip that I've got on the frame down here, when I release, I'll have enough slack that I should be able to just clip that to my belt loop while I'm driving around, and that's what I got. So we'll give it a try and hopefully get some, I'll have to have my wife video me to see how this works. Alright, so I don't really recall where I got this cord, but it is nylon, and on nylon cord I always like to burn the ends of it, kind of melt it. So that's what I'm doing here, just to keep it from getting frayed. I did that on both ends. Yeah, you can see it's got a plastic to it with a little stringer, so there you go. This spreader, I think it's pretty close to the AgriFab spreader, but there's some instructions for, see that up there, but basically it says that if you're spreading granular product, the proper setting should be between 3 and 5. So I'm going to set it at 4 to match up with what's on my, I'm going to put weeding, I'm going to apply weeding feed today. So you can see the spreader settings here, the first one being AgriFab, and it says 4.0, so this weeding feed should cover, this is a 50-pound bag, it's supposed to cover up to 10,000 square foot. So slight correction, I told you this was a 50-pound bag, and as you can see it's only a 32-pound bag, but this is Groundwork Southern Weed and Feed Lawn Fertilizer 2005 to apply during the fall. And let's get some of this in the hopper here and get out there and start doing some spreading. And by the way, all of this groundwork, the spreader and the fertilizer, I got at Tractor Supply.